everyone. Hi everyone. I got these, I guess it's a Buddha, I don't know. I'm gonna make a pair of earrings out of them. I think it must be a Buddha or something. I don't really know what it is. Somebody will know. And I'm gonna make a pair of earrings. And these are the 20 gauge, so they're stiff. So we'll just roll them down. So let's get started. Yeah, the frogs are already making sounds out there tonight. They like to let their little voices be heard. And for such little frogs, because they're little tree frogs, they're loud. I don't know if I want to do this one first. We'll see. And then this. I don't know. We might put white against it. See which one I like better. I think I want the white against it. Just have to make sure my little person is sitting in the right direction. We'll try this one with white. We'll see what we think. Won't be hard to change it. All in the creativity of this stuff. So, I like that one better. I don't know. I think I like that one better. So we're going to switch this. And we'll just take it and go like that. Well, I thought we would. Alright, now. I'm gonna cut some off. Probably about that much. The last ones I made, I shot the wire across the room. I haven't found it yet. So, there. Hopefully I didn't cut too much. You just bend it back, then start rolling it around. There we go. Now, let's put our ear wires on, our ear wires. And these are just simple little earrings you can make. You can use any beads you want to. You don't even have to have the spacers in between, which are these little gold pieces, unless you want them. If you can't find them, don't use them. Use something else. Or you can do a glass bead or a gemstone and then a different kind of stone. You can make up anything you want. Do your own style, your own colors. You can even use seed beads to make really fine little ones. If you want dainty stuff, you know, that's the whole fun of making jewelry. So you can pick and choose. You can get these like I did in a bulk lot from different bead places. They just had some bulk beads and there was only 2 in them like that, and I said, well, that'll be a pair of earrings. So, and here they are. Just use any kind of beads. I like getting the bulk beads, that way you usually get at least 2 of one size or one kind, hopefully. And if you get one, you can do this and make a pendant. And you can make a pendant just like this, just make your loop big enough for a chain. But y'all, thanks for watching, and until next time, y'all take care out there, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.